Hello. I've said this to you before and I'm going to say this to you again, but the only way to make your makeup look absolutely flawless is to make sure your skin is prepped like. And I have been using these two products from Innisfree. I love Innisfree, by the way, you all know that already. But firstly, can we just appreciate the packaging? How cool is this packaging? So they have this priming. First, this is the primer, okay? For primer that you use, I will show you the consistency as well. It's a No-Sebum primer, so basically all skin types can use this. It really minimizes your pores. But this powder, oh my god, just look at this. It just blurs your skin out entirely. They're also giving free gifts if you buy $7.99 and above and $14.99 and above. And another pro tip, this No-Sebum mineral compact turns into the most amazing dry shampoo. Shh, just quietly get